So she mentioned that this is a high-end fashion that she's in, and she's been running ads for months, and all of a sudden things stopped working. So here are my steps to take when I examine a campaign that stopped working suddenly. So first thing first, I dive into the campaign. I look at a few key metrics. We look at the CTR, the CPM, the frequency, and the customer journey. But let's get started with this few first. So my first train of thought here is, my first step I want to look at here is I want to know what changed when things get worse. So what could be the possibility over here? You see, when a campaign stopped working, usually it could be a few reasons. First, it could be because the cost per result suddenly increase. Usually it's that case. Or your number of results just drop. Your conversion drop, your number of purchases drop, and everything just drop. So that's what we usually define as a campaign that stopped working. So when a campaign stopped working, there are a few things to look into. First, we look at the CPM. CPM stands for cost per thousand impression, and that's the default, the charging block that Meta charges you when you're running ads on Facebook and Instagram. So basically, one of the main culprit when a campaign stopped working is the CPM that got much higher. Meaning you've been getting usually, let's say, for example, your CPM is at $10. That means if you spend $10 a day, you're able to reach your audience about 1,000 times. But out of sudden, your CPM increased to 20. Just imagine, and you're still spending $10. That means on a daily basis, you're only able to reach half of your regular audiences, because it used to be 10, now become 20, meaning you're supposed to pay $20 to reach your audience 1,000 times. But then if you're spending the same as 10, you reach half of the audience. And that's, of course, because Meta advertising is always about the number game. Immediately, as the number of reach drop, the conversion will drop. So if that's the situation that causes the campaign to stop working, we usually recommend to observe for another week, because usually a CPM high is due to market competition, where it could be possibility where more advertisers come into the market, whether it's like a short-term sales period or whatnot, so that we usually just endure for a week or two, because that's not something that we can do anything anyway. So when a CPM hike, there's not much we can do but to wait. You have a few options, whether you want to stop running for now, just to, you don't want to go against the tide. But if you need to run ads anyway, then you understand that this is the situation and we observe. Now, the other possibility when a campaign stopped working is that the CTR suddenly dropped. Say, for example, if you have been getting about let's say 1% CTR, that means every 100 times your audience sees your ad, you'll get one click. And out of sudden, your CTR dropped to 0.5. Now, that could be a few reasons. It could be usually the behavior shift. Well, it could be a situation where people get distracted because of holiday, because of festive season. These are the times where people maybe stop paying much attention on Meta, on Facebook, on Instagram, and then you get lesser clicks. So if the CTR drop and the CPM remain, then we usually we will make decision whether we want to slow down the advertising just to wait until the market sentiment comes back, or we can just continue running, knowing what is the consequences that we are facing. You see, when it comes to Meta advertising, as you probably already learned right now, is that we don't make decision based on gut feeling, but all these metrics are going to help us make the informed decision. So I want to tell you a fact that I always believe in. If your campaign ad has been running well for weeks or even months, it will not go sour suddenly just because you believe that the audience stopped working or the ad stopped working. Because usually, unless you are spending really huge amount of money, your audience size is usually big. Say, for example, if you are in US, right, you'll be targeting 200 to 300 million people anyway. So if you're only spending about less than to be frank, if you're even spending $500 to $1,000 a day, it will take a long time for you to finish the audience. So do not believe the voice in your head that tells you that, look, I think we obsolete the audience, or I think the ad stopped working. No, find out why first before you make any decision. That's what I recommend, because I've seen so many advertisers kill a campaign prematurely just because they feel like it. But what's the fact? What supports your decision? So before you do anything, I would recommend that you analyze. But if you need help, I would recommend that you take this one-on-one gig with me, whereby you can just scan this QR code and book a one-on-one discussion with me. I would say 30 minutes would do. You don't need to go for an hour. You can just book and pay, and we can have a one-on-one Zoom call with me, not somebody else, just me, where we will dive into your metrics, we will look at your campaign, we will find out what happened, and we will build a plan on how can we possibly, like fix the campaign, or, the next steps to take. Basically, at least you'll be making informed decision instead of gut feeling. So if that's something that you're looking for, then scan this QR code. I look forward to work with you.